can try, guys. Now for that one we can try it, pattern 21. What is that means? So 5 4 3 2 1, next 4 3 2 1, next 3 2 1, next sorry 2 1, then 1, then 1. All of you guys, now observe here. I think the same pattern not over, right? All of you, the same pattern starting 5 4 3 2 1 first line, the same. See here 5 4 3 2 1, okay, but which one? 5 4 3 2, 5 4 3, 5 4 and 5, but this is different, right? Okay, this is different, guys, not the same. Just a 4 3 2 1 3 2 1, this is different one, both are not same. Very good. Yes, oh, correct, guys. This is not done. This is not done. This is the new one. This is the new one. Yes, tell me, all of you. All of you guys can guess now. So here what we guess means J for loop range function plus print function. In both what to write. That's what you have to guess. I mean everything same, guys. That I loop range same. Okay, and last print same. Only the J loop range function, in that print function. Those two we have to we have to think. All of you guys can guess now. You guess and give reply, guys. Don't be silent. Don't be silent. Just guess it, and then give reply. Okay. So let's take name. First I value 1, then I value 2, I value 3, I value 4, I value 5. I value 5. Right. So right. So these are the I. These are the I, guys, and J also same. J, how many times you're writing first time? 5 times, right? Okay. So this is the J1, then J2, okay, and J3, J4. This is what? J5. J5. So only 4 times. The next J, how many times here? Only 3 times J. Only 3 times. And then only 2 times. And last one is what? Only 1 time. Only 1 time. That's all. So iterations again same like previous one, guys. Iterations wise same like previous one. So first I, then next what here? J. Okay. So when I value 1 and J, how many times iterating? Same, 5 times. Right? When I value 2, J, how many times iterating? 4 times. When I value 3, J iterating how many times? 3 times. When I value 4, J how many times now? 2 times. When I value 5, only 1 time. Only 1 time, like same previous iterations, guys. Right. Now for this one, so by seeing this one, you understand what is the I loop range and j loop range same, right? Same range functions like previous two patterns, guys, same one. But the thing is print, in the print function what to write there, that is the thing we have to observe here. Okay, right. So pattern I think 21, right? So input of enter n number of rows, enter n number of rows, evolve, then n equal to, all of you same for loop, both first one like previous three, guys. Okay, because as per the above iterations, we can say that same. I'll take here again 1, then n plus 2 minus I. Then what is the print, guess, guys? Now what is the print? What to write there? 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2 1, next 4 3 2 1, next 3 2 1. All of you, what to print here? Guys, give reply, all of you. Very simple one, guys. In the print, no more big logic, very simple one. In the print, what to take here? What to take? Let me know. So all of you guys, let me know. What we take? We can take which one? Suppose n means what? 5. We take 5 coming. Then minus 1 means 4. Always 4 display. Not like that. N plus 1 minus I, guys. N plus 1 minus I, right? All of you observe. Like same. I am giving the 5. Oh, sorry. Here we forgot n equal to what? Space. Okay. N equal to what? Space. 5 giving, all of you. But you observe here. You observe, guys, now. So first time always 5 coming, next always 4 coming, next always 3 coming, next always 2 coming, next always next 1 coming. But not like this, right? Not like this, guys. Okay. So because when I value 1, guys, when I value 1, j, but first time j, this is right, 1 2 3 4 coming, like previous one. Okay, like previous one coming, guys. So what do I do here? All of you, this is the 5 iterations. Okay, 5 iterations, but here I take the, see, first j value what? First j value what? Here 1 coming. Second j value what? 2 coming. Next j value 3. Next j value 4. Next j value 5. Suppose if I generate the j values 5 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2 1. All of you. 5 4 3 2 1. Then first time what j value? 5. Directly I can take the j. Without this all, I can take directly j. Second time j value what? 4 display. Next time j what? 3 display. Next 2 display. Next 1 display. That's all, guys. All of it. When I value 1, I display the numbers, generate the numbers 5 to 1, not 1 to 5. So I display like this. Output, guys. All of this is the iterations, 1 to 5 iterations. When first time I display 5, next 4, next 3, next 2, next 1. If I do like this, then I can take the print j, not required. Is all big logic. Okay, so create that one. So starting what now? Starting what is there? N, right? Starting, all of you. So what starting is there? Starting is the n. N means what? 5. N means what? 5. Starting 5. Ending I take the 0. Ending what here? 0. Then decreasing, right? Minus 1, guys. All of you observe here. But starting value, so 5 up to 0. 0 before 1. So 5 to 1 means 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, decreasing 1, fine. But when I value 2 also, here what is coming now again? When I value 2 also, again same, right? It's fixed number, no changing here. N is the fixed number, 0 is fixed number. Again what is coming now? Again So 5 4 3 2 1 coming again. All of you, yes or no? But what I want now, I don't want fifth, I want change the starting value. The starting value should be decreased by 1, right? Should decrease by 1. So first 5 coming, next what here should decrease by 1, guys. Means 5 should not come, right? 5 should not come. Okay, next again I value 3. When I value 3, at the time if you use the same one, if you use same one, again what comes there? Again 5 4 3 2 1 will come. But I don't want 5 4 here. Means decrease 2. See, decreasing, guys. That means we take here, suppose minus I. If I take the minus I, all of you, minus I, what's any value? 5. 5 minus 1 means how much here? 4. Starting 4 coming up. All of you, any value what here? 5. And I value what now? 1. So 5 minus 1, 4. 4 to 0. Means first 5 will not come. I want 5 also. Then add 1. Then add 1, guys. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So starting with 5. Starting with 5. When I value 1, starting with 5 up to 1 will come. I taking the 0. 0 before how much come now? 1. That is fine. When I value 2, it is replaced by what? Replaced by 2. So n plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Starting 4 now. Starting 4. So 4 onwards up to 1 will come. That's all. When I value 3, here, all of you, n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So start with 3. 3 to 1. 3 to 1. When this is the I value 3, right? I value 3. When I value 4, all of you, replace with 4 now. 4. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Starting 2. 2 to 1, right? 2 to 1. So means 2 and 1 will come. 2, 1 will come. When I value 5, replace by 5. N plus 1, 6. 6 minus 5, 1. So 1 comma 0. So annual 0 means 1. 1 comma 1 means only 1. Iteration only 1 will come. That means we use what here I. We use what here I. Then simply I'm printing what now? Print J. That's all, guys. So J here. All of you are clear now, right? So J how many times iterating? 5 times iterating, right? J iterating 5 times. But first time 5 coming, second time 4 coming, next time 3, next time 2, next time 1, like this. All of you. All of clear now. Next, when I value 2, how many times J iterating? 4 times iterating. 4 times iterating, observe here. 4 times iterating, but first time what's coming now? 4. Next 3, next 2, next 1, like that. Every time print J only. Every time print J only. That's all. Now all of you guys observe here. I'll take the 5. That's all. 5 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2, 5 3 4 3 2 1, 3 2 1, 2 1 and 1. That's all. All of you guys let me know. Is everybody clear this one? All of you guys. Okay, right. So that's fine, guys. Right.